fashion challenge, and I'm about to make this look, which y'all probably are thinking like, how is she gonna pull this off? I'm about to make this look more modern and trendy, okay? Pin it just about this much. So I'm gonna place my pins all the way around. Now we have just pinned and snapped. I'm going to be sewing, stitching at about a 1/2 inch, okay, all the way around. So I'm gonna go to the machine right now, and we can already kind of see what it's looking like, much shorter. But my sewing machine doesn't have a halfway mark, it just has 5/8. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew at 5/8.
And the way that I make sure that I'm sewing at 5/8 is I kind of just watch the line. If you can see on your sewing machine, there should be like a line right here. And you're just gonna make sure that your hand, the end of your hand stays at that line, and that's how you know that you are sewing straight, honey.
I just want to make sure that my hem is where I want it to be and it's hitting where I want. My legs are so ashy, but I think it looks good. This is where it's gonna hit. So I will give myself the approval to go ahead, trying to get some lighting, there we go, to go ahead and cut off this extra material right here. And I have clean, kind of crisp cut along the line. What I'm gonna do now is what my professor says, sets the stitches. So I'm gonna go iron press this so that I can set my stitches and get started on the top. Decided to move the hem up on this also, but where we have come with the problem is it has a zipper that's all the way to the bottom. But you know what I'm gonna do? I am just gonna stitch over the zipper, honey, because I just cannot. I cannot, and that should be fine either way it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hem, pin, and snap all the way around this so I can create my crop. Zipper, so I'm actually going to stitch all the way to the end of this, and then I am going to stop my sewing machine, cut the tail, and then start on the other side, because I don't want to stitch straight across, because then this like lip of my fabric is going to be stuck in one spot. But I need it to close. I need it to close because that's how the garment is made, and that's what hides the zipper. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I flip this back over so that it doesn't get caught in the needle, and then I can just start sewing again like normal. Once the zipper comes down here, it stops right there, and I can still flip my garment open and close so that it covers the zipper part up. Honey, it's the big reveal. She has transformed this wonderful, delightful outfit, honey. And Bird made an appearance again. I'm gonna try to take some pictures outside so you all can see the entire look. I even decided to make some fake leg warmers that match. But yeah, so I'll take pictures. I'll take some pictures so you all can see. I'll take some pictures so you all can see the entire look, because, honey, I am serving, honey. And that's all, folks. Very. Do you need to learn this? Oh no. So cool.
Appreciate it.
He's currently working on his bag.
my gosh, your whole ensemble is
Thank you. Thank you.
This is awesome. I know.
Mom said that what I made wasn't different enough, so I decided to go for round 2. So what I've done is I've sewn the inside of this to create a pant leg, and now I'm gonna make these into shorts with a split, and I might do something different to my top. So you've seen one outfit and now you're about to see another one. So let me go back and show you how I made this curve on the inside. I would use a hip curve to create this curve, but instead I'm just going to leave it like that and use my, I actually ended up using this because I can't find my hip curve and I have this laying around, so I actually used this, positioned it where I wanted it to be, and I traced around it with some chalk to figure out where I want the curve to be for like the crotch area. So that's how I got the curve, and then I sewed straight down or around into the other side, so it's a matching curve on the other side. So I just sew around the curve and then try it on and see where my splits will be placed, and then I am going to actually sew in about 5/8 to create a hem on the split. Alright, I decided that I am going to go straight down the middle. It already has like a notch in it, so I'm just gonna follow this notch straight down the middle and then work from there. I haven't decided if I want to open this and make it a jacket or if I just want some cleavage to be shown. So I'm gonna cut down the middle and see what happens.
So I'm gonna use my square ruler to line this up, make sure that I'm going straight down the middle. Make sure I'm going straight down the middle. And start cutting with my fabric scissors.